Example 8 says, assume that C of x, the cost function in dollars, and x is the number of units produced and sold. Okay, so the cost is in dollar, how much money, and x is in the number of units produced and sold. I wish they tell us like what they are making. Are they making calculators or are they making candle warmers? Anyways, for the total cost function, C of x equals this. They want us to find delta C and C prime of x when x is 70 and delta x is 1. What? Okay, so let's talk about what they want, okay? So what does this first thing that they want? They want delta C, okay? A delta C in word is change in cost, right? In dollars. So money, like from $5 to $10, like what's the change in cost? So I'll go with that first. So first of all, what they said is that x is 70. So right now they are making 70 calculators, let's say. So first they make 70 calculators. Okay, all right, hold on. As x goes from 70 to, but what's the change in x? X is going from 70 and it says delta x is 1. So what that means is change in x is 1. So we're going from 70 to 71. So if they make 70 calculators, what will be the cost? Let's figure that out first. So what is C of 70? We will need to plug that into the calculator. So I'll go ahead and set it up first. Okay. And that will give us the cost of creating 70 calculator or whatever this product is. So let me get rid of some of these things that I have up here. All right, so the first line will be 0.01 times 70 squared plus 0.4 times 70 plus 30. So if they make 70 units, the cost will be $107. Now, I need to find the other cost, right? Remember, we are going from 70 to 71. So what will happen if I plug in 71 this time? All right, I'm too lazy to copy this. I'll write this all over again. So I'll just change the 70 to 71. And on this calculator, I'll just copy this line and I'll change it to 30, 71 and 71. So the cost of making 71 of these units is different. It is $108.81. So we have it all. What is the change in cost? Okay, the change in cost, a delta C is C of 71 minus C of 70, which is, we're going to subtract 108.81 minus $107. And that will be, I'll just copy this minus 107. The change in cost, delta C, is $1.81 as 70 goes up to 70 and as x goes from 70 to 71. So we found delta C. They now want us to find C prime of x. Okay, so that sounds like a different type of problem. So let me highlight this in orange and I'll do the work down there. Okay, what is C prime of x? Well, to find C prime of x, the marginal cost function, I will need to take the derivative of c of x, right? So that will be 0.02x plus 0.4. And they did mention that x is equal to 70, so I'm just going to plug in 70. C prime of 70 is 0.02 times 70 plus 0.4. And this will be very, very similar to what we got using the other method. But I'm going to go ahead and type this in now. 0.02 times 70 plus 0.4. That comes out to be $1.80 per unit. Okay, so we did everything that they asked, but just want you to notice how similar they are. Okay, and that's it for example A. So that one was a short one, but I'll come back and show you the very last one, and that will be it for section 3.6.